In today's video, we're taking a look at how to install or replace a handheld shower head, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So today, you woke up, you wanna get wet. What better place than in the bathroom? And meanwhile you're in there, let's knock out one on the to-do list. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. So the first thing that we want to do, if there's any shower head or any type of head connected, we want to go ahead and remove that using the old rule of thumb, lefty loosey, righty tighty. In some cases, you can use your hands. If it's too tight, then you want to use some pliers. If you don't want to damage the old head, you may want to use a rag around it and then use the pliers over the rag. Now we want to prepare the tube to receive the new head. We do that by inspecting it, cleaning it, and lastly, placing some plumber's tape. Now that you made the plumbing more beautiful, we want to go ahead and locate the shower arm mount, and it looks like this. And remember, your model may be a little bit different, but at the end is the same technique to install. Now before we install it, we want to make sure that the rubber washer is inside the connector. Now that we did some serious Inspector Gadget detective work, we're ready to install the arm. And we follow the old rule of lefty loosey, righty tighty. We can start by using our hand and finish off using pliers. Remember, you can use a rag on top of the arm and then the pliers to twist, and like that, leave no mark on the arm. Once we feel it tight, that's good enough. Over tighten might break the arm or damage the thread on the pipe. Always remember to place the arm the correct way, and that is having the connector for the hose toward the bottom. Unless you like to take the shower from the ceiling and not the tub, then we salute you, my friend. We're ready to bring the hose. And like Watson would say, check that you have the washers inside the hose, because if not, you might be hearing this for years to come. Now that we verified that the washer is in place, we dodged that bullet, we go ahead and place the hose using the same technique, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And we want to do this by hand. If you notice your powers have weakened during the video, then you can use some pliers. Always remember not to use too much force and to use a rag so you won't leave any mark on the hose connector. Once we fill the first stop, that's good enough. We don't want to over tighten. Now once again, we look at the end of the hose to see that the rubber washer is there. Once you confirm is there, you know you've won and haven't lost any pieces yet. We're ready to connect the shower head. We also want to install this using hand strength. You can use two rags, one to hold the shower head and one for the hose to get a better grip. But if you need to use pliers, you can. At the end of the day, this is your castle and no one can tell you otherwise. If they do, just spray them with water. Now comes the most important part of the whole video, turning on the water and verifying that everything is good. If you do see any leak, just tighten a little bit more. If that doesn't work, just blame Watson. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, that really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.